Hello, guys, and welcome to another post market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today is one such historically important day because Bank Nifty and Nifty both have seen an all time record high close. In Bank Nifty, we have seen a new level of 46,431. That is the highest level so far. We can even, this is the Bank Nifty on a daily chart right now in front of you, and this is a monthly chart of Bank Nifty. So in either cases, this is the level the Bank Nifty has reached in Indian markets for the very first time. That is 46,431 levels. Whereas Nifty has also seen an all-time high and an all-time close in today's market session. So this is the Nifty chart on a daily time frame. Look at the kind of gap up opening that you have seen in Nifty. This is the first time the market has seen such huge gap up on in Bank Nifty. Yes, it is understandable. 600, 700 points of gap will be there here and there, but in Nifty you have seen a gap up opening of 350 points. That's huge. You cannot see markets like this every day. It happens once in a while, not even once in an year. So look at this. Let's trying to find this, see this much of gap anywhere else. See almost 300 and odd points of gap in Nifty. You see, even in the past, if you measure all these or gaps of 100 points of even that was huge gap in terms of Nifty's movement. If you see 100 point a gap, see here we have a gap of 150 points, and this is somewhere in July 2022. We have seen a gap up opening of again 120 points, and see this is around like how much a gap of 300 and gap down. But a gap of opening of 300 and odd points is a very rare situation to see in a Nifty's chart. And also we have seen an all-time high. Okay, so this level is a very uh, this is the level that Nifty is seeing for the very first time. So in our previous videos we have discussed that if at all, if the Nifty has to move forward, then it has to cross all these round figures, that is 20,100, 200, 300, 400, 500 levels. But to our surprise, Bank Nifty and Nifty especially has opened at 20,500, 600 levels today. And we have seen an initial pullback towards the downside, but after that we have seen a very positive movement towards the upside of, and we have seen a close at an all-time high in the Nifty. So there might be a reason for this, because across the country we are seeing election results coming out from few states that might also play uh, as a as a catalyst for this kind of movement today. But it has to be, you have to be very careful in the coming days, because even this day we have been discussing about how careful you have to be with the Nifty. And today, my god, this is an gap of 300 odd points, huge. Okay, so even in the Bank Nifty, see, look at the kind of gap that Bank Nifty has given us, 860 odd points of a gap up opening. And also, even though this has seen a close of all time high, it is still okay. So it is still yet to see the confirmation towards the upside, because usually we cannot go forward without testing this gaps, either in Nifty or Bank Nifty. So with such huge gaps, obviously we might see certain pullbacks towards this gap. And see this gap, how we should see how this gap is going to act, whether it is going to act as support for the Bank Nifty or also Nifty in that case. So these are the monthly charts, and this level has become, let's now readjust our support and resistance levels that we have. Okay, so now that being the all-time high earlier before today. Okay, today we have seen a close above that. Okay, this is a daily chart of Bank Nifty, and we were here somewhere. Okay, at this swing high, we were skeptical about this close, because we have seen a close above this swing high, but we are yet to see some sort of pullback or a confirmation candle. But this is beyond confirmation candle. Okay, so this is going to be very crucial. If you see a positive confirmation above this, then you can expect Bank Nifty going forward. but then keeping this as your stop loss levels, 45,650 levels. But if you see any price movement again pulling back towards into this zone, so this entire gap is going to act as a support. So you should be really careful trading this gap, because gaps always acts as support and resistance levels. So in this case we have a very huge gap here. Okay, so you should be really careful on an intraday uh, levels. So now let's get back into our daily time frame, that is 5 minute time frame, and see what we can learn from today's price action, and see if there was any chance that our price action has given us to take an entry, if there was any chance that would have uh, run our trades into profits. Okay, let's check that. And always remember that there was election results yesterday and across many states in country. So that was that definitely that played a major um, uh, that played a very crucial roles in financial markets today, because BJP has won its place, got its place in many states. And you cannot expect this sort of movement every day, but you have to be very extra careful while trading tomorrow, because after such a trending day you might see some sideways momentum. Okay, so be prepared for that. But then again, see, this entire zone that you are seeing here came from the daily chart, and these are our intraday levels that we have marked. So to begin with, Bank Nifty has opened at 45,670 levels, and then the first three candles of the Bank Nifty suggested that we have to be extra careful, because the very first candle is bearish candle. After that, we have seen a couple of bullish candles, and then we have at this level, okay, we know that it has created this swing low, so that we can that is why we have drawn this support level. And at this point around 10 o'clock, we very well know that this is also a swing high, from which we have drawn this resistance area. Now this being a very important level, okay, so here uh, you would have paid a lot of attention to this area, because after this breakout we have also seen a confirmation candle there, and then your target would have been this anywhere at this level. Okay, so but that didn't work, because you have seen a bullish engulfing pattern there. So yes, you would have seen some stop loss uh, taking place at this trade. If you would have taken this, okay, that would have been your stop loss of say 42 points. If this was your target, your very first trade was a stop loss trade, it would have been a stop loss trade. But then whenever you see a failed breakout even after confirmation, especially when you are seeing a bullish engulfing pattern right there at a very important level, this is the bottom boundary of the resistance levels that we have drawn from the Bank Nifty's daily chart. So if whenever you have a bullish engulfing pattern at a very important location there, you would have immediately reversed your position after taking your stop loss. This was looking definitely like a good trade, because your next levels is that swing high, okay, with this as your stop loss just below that. So see what has happened, it has come to that level. Okay, and also it has seen the next level. If you are trailing your trade, then you would have seen, okay, yes, that would have been your entry. Okay, and see, you would have taken that, and then after that, this was your next target. In this case, it has seen that, and then this top would have been your next target, is it has seen that. And from there, okay, and from there, you don't have any important levels coming from, sorry about this, okay, you don't have any important levels coming from the left side of your chart. See, we are on number first. See, we are taking chart back till October. Okay, October made, we don't have anything there. Okay, see, prices are somewhere here. So if you really want to take anything, see, you have see, at this point you are more than 1 month back. Okay, and these are the levels. Okay, these are the levels that could have been taken as targets, but look at that. Yes, after reaching those levels we don't have anything, because this was the last level that Bank Nifty has earlier seen. Or you would have simply uh, taken your trade. After taking that trade, you would have simply wait for any swing low breakout. So in this case, okay, price action, okay, starting from there, have seen a reaction there, but nothing getting closed under this. And then here again you have seen a pullback, and then again nothing closed under this. So you were if you would have taken a trade after seeing this small stop loss, you would have been in the trade for the entire day. Okay, and this moment would have made you till closing around 750 points on an all time high, record high day performance by bank nifty is definitely not bad. So that was a chance in the bank nifty. And then to go tomorrow, it's going to be very crucial, because from our daily charts, I'll once again bring up the daily chart of bank nifty. Okay, so now this is the daily chart of bank nifty. So here, this is an all-time high. Today we have seen a close above the all-time high, and this being the all-time high, you have to be extra careful, because again, if you see any confirmation candle after this, you can expect bank nifty to go towards the higher levels. But on the downside, your stop loss is way too far, way too below, because it is at 45,617 levels. And you have to be extra careful whenever, if you see any bearish formation there on a daily time frame, then you can expect bank nifty to come back and test this the gap that it has created today. So that's it about bank nifty. And then coming to the nifty, even nifty has this is very strange, a gap up opening because of this election results, you might say. uh, this is an unexpected gap up opening. Okay, 300 and odd points, 340 50 points of gap up opening is not what you see on nifty's chart every day. Okay, so here we have seen nifty moving closing around 20,686, but then you see the gap between the previous close 418 points on a nifty is like a bank nifty movement. Okay, you usually see that kind of movement on a bank nifty. But then again, here you have to be really careful, because your previous swing high, all time high, was here, and today's price action has given a close somewhere here. So you should wait for some swing reactions to form, and then take decision in nifty. That is what is technically correct. But then see, this gap is always going to act as a support. So you should see whether nifty is going to held its levels above this level, or if it is seeing a breakdown of the, if it starts coming down, if it forms any strong bearish pattern there, because it is at an all-time high, you can expect nifty to come back to test these levels very fast. So let's look into the price action of nifty today, and see whether we have something to learn from today's price action. See, to start, okay, it is a similar situation in the nifty as well, because here you have the initial candle as a bearish candle, opening at an all-time high of 20,600 levels, and then after that you have seen the next two candles have been bullish candles, forming a swing low there. So you would have got this drawn as a support area from this swing reaction, and this point after this moment would have been marked as your resistance area. Look, it has clearly given a chance to enter right at this area, because that is a bullish engulfing pattern coming at your support area, and then your targets are way too high here. Okay, so your risk versus reward ratio is also playing a very good role there. So that was the opportunity that nifty has given us. And then after this, you see, and after reaching this area, okay, it has also given a breakout above this area, because in this case, looking for a bearish trades is definitely a foolish option, because we are seeing nifty opening at very strong levels, that is 20,600 levels. Okay, when the overall market is so positive, we don't want to be taking trades towards the downside. All right, so here you would have taken a trade, and then it has reached your targets, and after that it has seen a breakout of this resistance level, with also a confirmation candle. Okay, with also a confirmation candle. Even if you draw this as your resistance line, after that it has seen, okay, a breakout and also a confirmation candle, whereas this level is going to act as support, because there was a couple of swing high reactions there. Okay, so here again, prices have come back. Okay, those who have those who want to trade very carefully would have taken a small stop loss there, but then after that you see again it has given us an inside candle formation there, after which, okay, the moment, at least this moment would have been captured after this momentum. This moment is obviously uh, captured because of this bullish engulfing pattern right there. So these were the couple of opportunities that we have been able to notice on Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. Okay, so in conclusion, reaching all-time highs in the Nifty and Bank Nifty is a positive sign reflecting the market's optimism. Okay, so however, it is very vital to stay updated with the market trends and indicators to navigate any potential challenges that may arise in the coming days. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Okay, if you found this informative and helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more meaningful content, and happy trading. Thank you.